We are a group that is focused in neural repair as a major or wide goal. But since we are the Hospital Nacional of Paraplegics, so we are more focused on spinal cord injury. As is known, this is a multifactorial process and involves cell death, limited axonal regeneration ability of the CNS, and also a loss of cells that need to be replaced in order if you want to recover some function. So we are trying to develop combined strategies that try to address all these aspects, and this includes cell therapies, drugs, gene therapy, and biomaterials. We have several aspects, and in one aspect, we are more focused in the acute injury, and here we are more interested in this combined drugs and cell therapies. In drugs, we're using clinically used or drugs that could be used easily in clinic, such as ibuprofen, roliprane, minoxidil, or leptin. And in cell therapies, we're using mesenchymal stem cells and cells that we have described in combination with a group from the University of Verona that they are located at the leptomeninges. And they have the natural ability to differentiate into neurons and oligodendrocytes, the two main cell types that we seek to replace. Okay, well, so the progress we have done there could be summarized in the use of, I would say, two drugs, such as ibuprofen and leptin, that have allowed to give us very good acute neuroprotection of the tissue, with a very good functional recovery at the mid-long term. And at the cell level, we are using these adipose mesenchymal stem cells from human origin that in the subacute also gave us very good results in neuroprotection and functional recovery. On the other hand, we have really, in collaboration with this group from Verona, developed protocols to isolate and expand these leptomeningeal stem cells and to instruct them to oligodendrocytes and neurons. And now we are testing in our animal models if they are able to replace the lost cells. Finally, we have very promising results with this WIN family of proteins, where we are seeing that they are involved in every single process that is important for the pathology or of the spinal cord injury, and we are trying to develop first to understand how they work, and now to develop peptides and molecules to modulate all of these aspects. We have a collaboration with this University of Verona because they are the ones who really discovered the presence of these leptomeningeal stem cells. We have a collaboration with Professor Ernest Arenas from the Karolinska Institute for the WINT family of proteins, with Professor Xavier Navarro for all the spinal cord injury, peripheral nerve injury, and now we are opening a new research line in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. And finally, we have this consortium, European Consortium for Development of Biomaterials, where there is an involvement of groups from Poland, Ireland, UK, and Spain.